Hello friends, myself Vinay Subhash Rao Langdapure. I am from branch Electrical Engineering from Government Polytechnic College Nanded.
Myself Shashank Hanumantrao Kulkarni, Electrical Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic Nanded.
Myself Sheikh Furqan Nawaz, Electrical Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic Nanded.
Today we are going to demonstrate our final year project named Digital Attendance Records for AC and DC Machine Lab, guided by Professor Lingye sir.
So friends, I am going to demonstrate the hardware part of our project. This is our project. This is fingerprint module R305. This is Arduino Uno Mega 2560. This is LCD display, 16 columns and 2 rows. There are 3 buttons. First is verifying button. This is the verifying button, and second is install button. This is install button, and third is delete button. So friends, first step is to plugging the device.
So Arduino is programmed in embedded C language. So first, what is input voltage to the system? That is 5 volt. Then what are the inputs to the system? Fingerprint module, switches and the front end applications. It is inputs to the system. And then which cable is used to transmit data? That is USB A to B cable. So note it that the system in the communicating with device, serial communication first, then second is fingerprint with Arduino serial communication. Switches, that is delete switch, enroll switch and verifying switch with Arduino digital communication. Then fourth is Arduino with LCD digital communication.
Myself Shashank, I will going to explain how to enroll a candidate inside the system. For this, the first step is to plug the device. We have plugged the device, and now we will run the front end application, that is biometric attendance system application. We build it using .NET framework. Here we have plugged the device. See the LCD screen. Now we will run the application, front end application for biometric attendance system. Fingerprint app. This app is built in using .NET framework. Then select port and click on start reading. Now press the enrollment switch. Follow the LCD instructions. Remove finger, put the same finger again. This dialog box open. Here it is clearly mentioning ID number 1, roll number 845, name Shashank Kulkarni. Then click on save button. This candidate is successfully enrolled. You can easily see the message on the screen, enroll success. Now we will register another candidate. Press enroll button. Remove finger, put same finger again. Okay, the dialog box open. ID 2, roll number 846, Vinay Langda Click on save. This message is clearly mentioned enroll success, and you can see here that ID1 and ID2 are registered in this attendance system. Then we will register another candidate. Press enroll switch and follow the LCD instruction. Remove finger, put same finger again. $860 Furqan Sheikh. Save. Here enroll success. Now we will register another candidate. Press enroll switch. Place your finger. Remove finger, put same finger again. Roll number 840. Name Kanpulkar Govind. Click on save. Now you can clearly see that 4 students, ID 1, 2, 3, 4, roll number 845, 846, 860, 840. These students is successfully enrolled. Now we will see the next step. You can clearly see that 4 students are successfully enrolled. Now we will verify these students, that is they are now putting the fingers and their attendance is being recorded. In this project file you can see that there is a registration file. Excel sheet is automatically created. In this Excel sheet you can clearly see that these 4 students are registered. These 4 students are registered. Now we will verify or we will record their attendance. Let's see verification process. Press verification switch. Place the finger. Press verification switch. Place the finger. Okay. The LCD screen is clearly showing that the first ID Shashank Kulkarni have put his attendance and his attendance is recorded. Now we will verify another student. Press verification switch. Place finger. Welcome Vinay Langdapure. Here data out is clearly giving you the message to the ID number 2 Vinay Langdapure. His attendance is recorded. Again verify the third student. Press verification switch. Screen is showing that third ID Furqan Sheikh is successfully attended and his attendance is recorded. Let's verify next student. Here LCD screen is showing the message fourth ID Kanpulkar Govind is recorded his attendance, and now you can check in the project file there is a log file. It is automatically created. This log file gives you the data of attendance. This log file gives the data of attendance, here clearly you can see that on 6th June 2021, roll number 845, 846, 860, 840 has given their attendance. Okay, thank you. We will check the next step, that is how to delete the enrolled candidate if this batch is passed out and new batch is entered. Let's say how to delete. So now we will understand how to delete the enrolled candidates. Go to the project, open the application. Here there are 4 candidates successfully enrolled in this system. To delete the candidate, long press the delete button. Now release the switch. Deleting ID 1, deleting ID 2, deleting ID 3, deleting ID 4. Okay, then click again on delete switch. Press deleted till count. Release. The LCD screen is showing start new enroll. So here there are 4 IDs. These have been deleted. These files have been stored. We can transfer these files and take print out of it, or we can rename this file attendance of EE6R. You can transfer this file, copy or paste in your pen drive. Thank you very much.
Myself Govind Anandrao Kangulkar. My project name is Digital Attendance Machine for AC Machine and DC Machine Lab. Previous topic explained by my other group members, and I am starting from result and application of my project. What is the result of my project? It maintains perfect attendance, it avoids the manipulation of attendance, it makes cheats impossible.